I believe that human beings have already discovered the solutions to most of our pressing problems. The challenge is that these solutions come in the shape of puzzle pieces. A research paper here, a conference report in Chinese there, a heated online discussion, an internal memo in a corporation, they are scattered. The abundance of knowledge that we have today is unprecedented, but our human minds do not have sufficient computational power to process it all. Or easier said, we can't read and understand everything. Every single day, 3,000 papers are published within science, technology, and medicine alone. 3,000, not to mention the millions that are already out there. So a lot of these resources end up in the digital equivalent of a dusty old drawer. 50% of papers published are read by less than 5 people. That's sad. But what if we had a brain? A really big, really powerful brain that could read and make sense of all of this. Well, that is what we are building with IRIS.AI, an artificial intelligence that will be able to read all of the world's research and help us connect the dots. What we're doing today, very concretely, is that we're semi-automating the researcher's process. We launched the first phase, which is taking a problem statement and broadly exploring the research field. And we've proven through peer-reviewed open access papers that we, using our tool, researchers using our tool, consistently outperform teams using, for example, Scholar or PubMed, which is very exciting. But the second step of the researcher's process, which is taking all of that content and narrowing it down to a precise reading list, and that is a tool that iterates between the tool and the user to filter down. We can save you 90% of your time in doing this with about an 85% precision and recall, which is a lot better than what you can do in industry today.
In this video, we'll introduce you to the Exploration tool, which provides an overview of scientific knowledge related to your research topic. Start exploring and add a URL to your research paper. If you have a premium account, you can also type in the research question and a description of your problem statement. Write a description of your problem in 300 to 500 words in English. Include the background of the problem, clear research questions, and a description of your goals. If you use specific terms or abbreviations, write an explanation of what they mean. Think of it as explaining it to another human in your own words. When you're done, click Submit. IRIS maps out the key concepts, contextual synonyms, and topics of the paper or problem statement, and presents them with related research articles. The visual map consists of clearly organized topic clusters. The topics represent contextual categories that IRIS has learned by reading millions of scientific documents. The visual navigation shows you an overview of topics and allows you to move around the map easily. By clicking inside the topics, you can explore the individual research papers fetched from the given databases. When you find something interesting, you can review the details, download the paper, and bookmark them for your personal reading list. The relevance score indicates how well the specific article matches your search. At any point, you can find more related papers by generating a new map from this paper. You can also save the entire map for future use. Bookmarking the most interesting maps allows you to use them as a starting point for your literature review using the Premium Focus tool. Check your exploration history and come back to all bookmarked papers and maps anytime from your personal dashboard. The Exploration tool lets you discover hundreds of papers across different scientific fields quickly and effortlessly. And because IRIS bypasses keywords and built-in citation biases, you can finally get a comprehensive overview of the knowledge around the research challenge in focus.
With the highly ambitious goals of the Gate Institute, naturally comes a need for performing thorough big data and AI research. We see this as a great opportunity for collaboration and are looking forward to help solving the current challenges in this area through a new way of doing research exploration. And now, a short sneak peek behind the scenes from our journey in the last 5 years.